In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys 3 simple gimbal movements that even a beginner can try out. The first simple gimbal movement which any beginner can try out is the pan in, pan out shot. So basically what you do is you just take small steps, small steps forward towards your subject, aka the pan in, and when you pan out is vice versa, which is you take small steps backwards. I use this method a lot for my weddings, and this is a great way for you guys to show off your subject, introduce your subject into the video, alright? Okay, the second simple gimbal movement is the follow through. So basically, this is just that you're making your subject walk, and as he's walking, you're just following him, behind him, or in front of him. Usually this shot is great to showcase the surrounding areas along with your subject. I usually recommend using this shot just to showcase the surrounding as the subject is walking. So that's the main idea of it. Alright, so the third and final simple gimbal movement which you can try today is the left and right glide movement, which is definitely one of my favorite movements that I have learned. And this movement, as much as I say it's simple, it is simple once you get used to it and once you practice it. Of course, I'm not saying you must neglect practicing the first two. I'm just trying to say that this third one, this final one that I'm teaching you, the left to right glide or the right to left glide, is a tricky one. When doing this movement, try not to do a crab walk. Instead, try to face your body towards the direction of where you're going while facing the camera towards the subject. This way, your shots can come out more smoothly. As you're doing this movement, try to keep your eyes on your camera screen to avoid bad framing. I recommend tilting the screen up to help. And voila, now you have learned to do a simple gimbal movement. So just bend your knees as you're using the gimbals as well. Settings on the other hand, I usually like to put it on slow for most of my gimbal movements. It really depends on what I want out of my gimbal movement. I really like a very slow pan and a slow left to right glide. So that's why my settings on my gimbal is on slow. Alright. When it comes to pan, I'll usually use a PTF mode, and when it comes to gliding, I'll just use the PF mode. Alright guys, so that's all for today. Thank you guys for learning the 3 simple gimbal movements. And I hope you guys find this video productive for your gimbal movement journey. Alright, that's it from me today, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next gimbal movement tutorial, which is my 3 advanced gimbal movement tutorial. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, remember to subscribe, leave a like if you like this video, and yeah, that's it from me today. Bye bye.